Armenia is a country in the South Caucasus region of Eurasia. The history of Armenia dates back to ancient times, with evidence of human settlement in the region as far back as the Neolithic era. During the Bronze Age, the Kingdom of Urartu emerged in the region, which became a powerful state in the 9th–6th centuries BCE. The Urartians built impressive fortresses and irrigation systems, and engaged in trade with neighboring civilizations, including the Assyrians and the Persians. In the 6th century BCE, the Achaemenid Empire of Persia conquered the region, and Armenia became a satrapy, province, of Persia. Despite Persian rule, Armenia retained a distinct cultural identity and language. In the 1st century CE, Armenia became the first state to officially adopt Christianity as its state religion, under King Tiridates III. This decision had a profound impact on Armenian culture, and the country has been closely linked with the Armenian Apostolic Church ever since. Throughout the centuries, Armenia was often caught between the competing empires of the East and West, including the Byzantine Empire, the Persian Empire, the Mongol Empire, and the Ottoman Empire. In the 19th century, Armenia was divided between the Russian and Ottoman empires, leading to a series of massacres and forced migrations. In 1918, after the collapse of the Ottoman Empire, Armenia declared independence, but it was short-lived. The country was soon occupied by the Soviet Union, and became a Soviet republic in 1922. In 1991, after the collapse of the Soviet Union, Armenia declared independence once again. Since then, the country has faced a number of challenges, including a war with neighboring Azerbaijan over the disputed region of Nagorno-Karabakh, economic difficulties, and political instability.